Do you know what to say, but suddenly forget everything when you meet someone in English? Your heart starts beating fast, you smile, you panic, and your mind goes blank. I know that feeling too. So today, let's practice together. Not perfectly, just confidently. And remember, you are not alone. Hi, my name is Maya. And welcome to Speak With Me English. Today, we are going to practice how to introduce yourself in English slowly, clearly, and confidently. Ready? Let's begin. Imagine this. You meet someone for the first time, maybe at school, maybe at work, maybe in class. What do you say? You can say, "Hi, my name is Maya." Very simple, very natural. Now, speak with me. Hi, my name is Maya. Very good. Let's try another one. Hello, I'm Maya. Good job. You do not need difficult English. Simple English is powerful.
Now, the other person asks, "Where are you from?" You can say, "I'm from the USA," or "I'm from India," or "I'm from the Philippines." Very easy. Now you try. I'm from the Philippines. Good. Let's say the full introduction together. Hi, my name is Maya. I'm from the Philippines. Excellent. Slowly, one step at a time. Now, let's talk about work or school. Someone may ask, "What do you do?" You can answer, "I'm an office worker," or "I'm a student," or "I'm a teacher's assistant." Now, repeat after me. I'm an office worker. Very nice. I'm a student. Great. Now, let's combine everything. Hi, my name is Maya. I'm from the Philippines. And I'm a teacher's assistant. Sometimes people ask, "What do you like to do?" This means, what are your hobbies? You can say, "I like music," or "I like movies," or "I like reading," or "I like cooking." Simple answers are okay. Now you try. Let's go. I like music. I like movies. I like reading. I like cooking. Very good. Now let's practice one more full introduction. Speak with me. Hi, my name is Maya. I'm from the Philippines. I'm a teacher's assistant. And I like music. Amazing! See? You can do this. Can I tell you something important? You do not need perfect English to introduce yourself. Really. Most people are not looking for perfection. They just want to understand you. And every time you practice, you become better.
Every sentence matters. Every mistake teaches you something. So please, do not stay silent because you are afraid. Your English grows when you speak, not when you hide. Okay, one last time. This time, say it confidently. Ready? Speak with me. Hi, my name is Maya. I'm from the Philippines. I'm a teacher's assistant. And I like music. Beautiful! You did it! Now it's your turn. In the comments, try introducing yourself in English. Just like this. Hi, my name is blank. I am from blank. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try. I will read your comments. Thank you for practicing with me today. And remember, you do not need perfect English. You just need to start. If you want to keep improving your English through real-life conversations and stories, subscribe and speak with me. And if you're ready, let's practice together in the next lesson. I'll see you there.